A lot of people comment that my left hand is really active when I play pickleball. Now I'm right-handed, so that means my non-gripping hand is constantly moving, even though it's not even actually gripping the paddle. Now, this is an old habit that I have from tennis, but it's actually a really useful tool in pickleball as well. So a lot of people's left hand, or it could be your right hand if you're left-handed, just sort of hangs there like a dead limb, not really serving any purpose when you're playing. Instead, you want it up, then it can act as a counterbalance. It gives you greater strength and stability when you're on the court. So when you're about to wind up for a forehand, get that other hand up out in front of you like this, and then you replace where your left hand was with where that paddle is. This gets your torso involved, your core, and this is where that strength, that power comes from when you're hitting, not just with your arm like this. You're gonna get a lot more power from that whole core moving. Same thing on the backhand. Get that left hand up first, and then you're going out like this on the backhand instead of replacing it like on the forehand, but you're still using that left hand to give you more balance and control in the court. Lastly, on the overhead, kind of similar, but as soon as you see that overhead go up, get that left hand up like this. In tennis, we're taught to point at the ball. And then when that ball's up here, you replace where that other hand is with the paddle. Again, this gets that core twisting and moving and involved using your whole body instead of just your arm.